Welcome. Let's go over a quick guide on how to use the Phytech mobile app. In the opening screen, choose the area you want to view. The stress level of each location is indicated based off the sensors on the plants. The color of the entire pivot corresponds to the most stressed location. You can see the current or past stress levels. The colors represent 5 levels of water stress, ranging from yield-affecting stress to optimal and high water availability. When the pivot arm is resting, it is black. If it is white, it is moving and the irrigation path appears. When viewing the irrigation history, you'll be able to tell when the pivot has passed over a location and the amount applied. You will also find site-specific weather forecast. View the climate history in the plot card. Irrigation is planned in advance. Let's look into the future using the planning tool. Flip forward in time to see the expected stress level under the assumption of zero irrigation. You can use this tool to either postpone or advance a planned irrigation. That's it, you're ready to go. Don't forget, you can also use the Phytech desktop app, which contains much more information.